you can give us a hint, Mr. President.
Well, number one, somebody who understands economics. Because
Understands economics.
that's the first thing. That's the life of the person who understands how to create jobs, who understands how to keep the inflation rate down, who understands how to make food supply a given, something that you can assume. So, and somebody who thinks about productivity, because growth is about productivity. How do you make your working population more productive? How do you support them so they work better? How do you fix the education system so they're better trained? How do you make sure that they're healthier? How do you make sure that they don't worry about food? Those are the kind of people that you need, that we need. Are the people who actually are thinking about not politics, but how to make the country better. I've always said, very early on, again, and even before I became president, I always was watching, and I said, when I was walking around and being around my father, all we could hear is, we are building a nation. We are about nation building. I didn't hear that anymore. So we need to have nation builders. People who want to make the Philippines better. People who actually love the Philippines and love Filipinos and want to make things better. And it boils down to, it might sound a little sentimental or emotional, but that's what you need. And of course, there has to be an element of competency. You know, love is it goes a long way, but it's not enough. You also have to know how to do it. You have to have some training, or at the very least, you have to listen to people who have that training. And I'm proud to say we have in government, we have a thing called the Private Sector Advisory Council. And the Private Sector Advisory Council, we meet more or less once a week. And the businessmen who are here know that, because we see each other fairly often. And they sit down, and we divide it up into different elements, to education, to healthcare, jobs, technology, etc., etc. And we get the best of them, and they sit down, and we basically, government sits there and listens, and asks them, what is it you need from us? That's how it started. Now, government, we on this side of the table, they come in and they say, have you done your homework? You know, we talked the last week, or the last meeting that we had, we were saying that we're going to do this. Have you done it? Or haven't you? And why haven't you? And what's the problem? And it's a very, how do you say, there's a great synergy that comes from that. And it's not to blame and say you're messing up, you know, you're bad, you're etc. You're not smart enough. It's not about that. It's about getting together and say, okay, this worked. Let's do that more.